Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to deposit money in Bitrue step by step. Open your Bitrue app and sign in before we begin. I'll walk you through selecting the correct wallet, choosing fiat or crypto deposits, and verifying payment details. You will learn how to pick networks, avoid common fees, and confirm transactions safely. Follow along at a comfortable pace and pause when you need to double-check details, choose whether you want to deposit fiat or crypto, and follow the tailored prompts. For fiat deposits, pick bank transfer or card and enter your payment details securely. For crypto deposits, select the correct coin and network, then copy the address or scan the QR code. Confirm the amount, double-check the address characters, and be mindful of any minimums or network fees to avoid delays or loss. After initiating a deposit, monitor the transaction ID and deposit history to see confirmations. If a deposit is delayed, gather payment receipts and screenshots and contact Bitrue support promptly. For crypto, make sure you use the right network and memo if required, as wrong choices can cause irreversible loss. Keep calm, follow the platform instructions, and retry with small amounts when testing new methods to stay safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.